For me, mechanical engineering is about creating the real-world systems that implement change.
What's up, everyone? This is a part of our series of M.E.T majors. Today we'll be covering mechanical engineering, and I'm with some awesome people today, Elianna, Sean, and Michael. My name is Matthew. I am a freshman also majoring in M.E.T.
My name is Michael. I'm part of the class of 2022, Mechanical Engineering and Business track. I got into mechanical engineering from a background in robotics, always liked making things, and for me, mechanical engineering is the perfect place to pursue those.
Hi everyone, my name is Sean. I'm a mechanical engineering major from the class of 23. My reason of choosing mechanical engineering is very similar to Michael's. I had a background in mechanical systems and design, and I also kind of just have a passion for physics. Mechanical physics in particular as a subject.
I'm Elianna. I'm also the class of 2023, mechanical engineering and business major. And I decided to go into mechanical engineering after working at a manufacturing firm. And I was able to build different devices, and I decided that was pretty cool. And so I stuck with mechanical engineering.
Just can you, in a sentence or two, for anyone who doesn't really know what M.E.T is, can you describe what mechanical engineering is to you?
For me, mechanical engineering is about creating the real-world systems that implement change. So if you look at the different disciplines of engineering, mechanical engineering is by far the most interdisciplinary, in my opinion. It's kind of a composition of the mechanical systems. You have very close interfaces with the electromechanical systems and the computer science logic system.
I usually go with a biological analogy for mechanical engineering. If you could just encompass the entire tech industry as one living organism, I usually say, software engineering would be the brains, literally how the nerves come together, how they make decisions. Electrical, maybe the nerves, and your spinal cord, your central nervous system, the things that communicate what to do to your muscles. And the muscles, the skeletal muscles, and basically all the actuators on a body or an organism. That's where mechanical engineering is.
Would anyone like to share maybe some opportunities that they've seen within mechanical engineering within Berkeley itself? Have you guys pursued any internships, clubs, or any other things that maybe students may be curious about?
There's plenty of opportunities for both academic research teams as well as project teams. There's the formula racing at Berkeley, electric formula racing. There's briefly, I was a part of the Berkeley Hyperloop team, which has since shut down. And there's plenty of other opportunities as well. Currently I'm part of a robotics research group. So if you're interested in looking to pursue department-funded research, you can find more information about that at the Mechanical Engineering Department website.
Yeah, and in terms of internships, there's plenty of internship opportunities. You could work at an automotive company like Tesla or Ford, or aerospace like Boeing and SpaceX.
Let's kind of go into more about the academics within Berkeley. Can you just walk me through and talk to me about some of your guys' favorite classes?
For me, some of my favorite classes have been ME100, which is electronics for IoT. So we go through the mechanical side of designing mechanical systems that are communicating over the internet. Another one that I've really enjoyed is dynamic systems and controls. It's a class that I'm currently in. That's ME132. And that's where we're looking at, both classical control methods as well as more modern techniques of having systems operate within their specified ranges and controlling them.
And another class I really enjoyed was E27, which is tolerancing in manufacturing, I think. And that class was really interesting because there's more of a hands-on field to engineering. And also with my class, we were able to go to different field trips and visit all these different companies and see what manufacturing looked like in the real world.
Can you guys tell me some of your goals for the future?
For me, I think the biggest issue facing our world right now is the ongoing climate catastrophe. I mean, the amount of greenhouse gas emissions that are, happening every single day is mind-boggling. So, my personal goals are to use my mechanical engineering background as well as, some interdisciplinary skills that are included within that umbrella to make changes to the way that we move people around, our transportation networks, the way that we gain energy and the way we harvest energy from our natural resources, as well as the way that we produce food. So agriculture, energy, and transportation are the three general fields that I want to go into.
As I'm still a sophomore, I'm still deciding, but I've always had a great interest in biomedical devices. So maybe that is something I'll look into, as well as product development, and supply chain. I'm just trying to explore all the different career paths and then hopefully make a decision.
Personally, I'm super interested in space exploration, mostly because I really like physics. I think if I had to choose a major other than like engineering, I'd probably be choosing physics, like pure physics. But yeah, space exploration, because I just think it's like it's like the last frontier. It's like the last, I guess, for lack of a better term, space that we haven't explored yet.
There's a number of fields we can go into, as we've already discussed a little bit. Some of the most common ones or most popular ones are the automotive space, the aerospace industry. You can go into any other number of different directions other than that, though. So, for example, energy, agriculture, transportation, robotics, automation, hardware design, packaging, product design, manufacturing technology. You can really go into anything that exists. There's probably a mechanical engineer that went into the design and development of it. There's so many different careers you can go into as a mechanical engineer. And that's why I love it. That's why I'm interested in it. And it allows you to cover a wide range of different fields in one.